Hi, today I want to show you how I modify my CNC 3018 with the new extension kit. So let's start right now. nothing too difficult. I had to remove the old profile with the new aluminum profile, new guts rail and the screw of a new kit. Now the CNC is not available at 100% because the old working plane is too small. So now I can choose two ways: to buy an aluminum plate like this and put it with the current plane, or make another working plane how to build it by myself. I made a new working plane and I've done a video about it. I'll give you the link above if you want to watch it. But the question is, why I've done this upgrade when I could continue to do all my other cockpit panels? Until now I didn't need more CNC extra space. For example, all the overhead panels I did with the CNC 3018. The most important reason is the comfort. Having a working plane about 30x18, when I'm working on a piece, for example, of the overhead panel, its panel size is around 17x25 cm. You understand, working on this plane, it's complicated to use an effective clamp system when it's busy from the panel where I'm working. All the upgrades I've done on my CNC are not essential to do this cockpit, but surely having a CNC machine more performing saves me a lot of time, and the processing is more stable. I bought this kit on Amazon. I give you the link down in the description. The price, in my opinion, is excellent and I'm happy to buy it. As always, I thank you. I hope this video was helpful. Give me a like and let me know in a comment below if you have any questions or just what you think about it. If you are not yet signed up on my channel, subscribe and activate the bell. You will always keep updating every time I upload a new video. Thank you again and see you soon at the next video. Bye.